If you have 15 minutes, you can make this stunning bakery style almond apricot tart. It's the ultimate shortcut dessert that looks like it took hours. Hi, I'm Pika, and welcome to Baker Affair. Let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need are puff pastry. I already cut it up, so I have it in sheets. I have it in like little squares. You're going to need a cup of almond paste, and you're going to mix that with 2 tablespoons of water, and you're going to make it till it's like a thick frosting texture, because we're going to be spreading it on the puff pastry. You're going to need apricot preserves, sliced almonds, and an egg wash. So come with me. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees, very important, while I prepare all this. So now, come down. So I am going to take this, which is almond paste and water, and I'm just going to spread a little on there. And I just forgot something. See? Before you do that, you have to take a knife and score them. You're not going to cut all the way through. You're just going to score it. I'm not cutting all the way through. I'm just going to score it. Now that they're all scored, actually, let me show you a close-up of it scored. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of this mixture and I'm going to put it in that scored mark. Okay, so after that's all spread, we're going to take the apricot preserves and we're going to put a dollop on each one of those. And then after that, we're going to take the egg wash and we're going to go around the rim, and then we're going to spread sliced almonds on it. So let's go back down. You just go around with an egg wash, and we're going to throw some almonds on it. Okay, so now they're going to go in the oven for 15-20 minutes at 400. See you back when they're done. Okay, so they're done, and this is what they look like. They look delicious. They don't take anything. Dust it with a little powdered sugar. Around the edges. Let's try it. Is it worth it? If you love almonds and apricots together, you're gonna love this. Super easy, fast to make. Chill them down, they'll taste delicious chilled down. As you know, I don't chill anything down. I eat it like this. Anyway, I'm going to leave the recipe below. Let me know. Are you going to try it or not try it? Everybody's so quiet out there. At least say hi to me. I need to say hello. I need to know who you are. Tell me your favorite thing you want to eat. Like, what's your favorite dessert of all time? Mine, to be honest, is anything. I love all sweets. Ice cream is my downfall, but That's another story for another day. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. And until next week, every Wednesday I come out with a new video. Ciao.